So welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So in today's video you can see that we are able to give this signal call to our students, and so far so good. 2 out of the 3 signal calls that was given is going well. So I'm just going to show us how we are able to give this particular signal on VIX 25, because the reason why VIX 25 is not yet selling very hard now is because market is still in a consolidating phase. Okay, so market is still ranging on VIX 25. So if you just get to see this video now, then definitely you might want to take a trade on VIX 25 because of this strategy I'm about to share. Okay, so it's a very powerful strategy that we're able to combine to take a trade on these 3 markets. Okay, but I'm just going to show you how to make use of the channel strategy. Okay, because this was like the sell we were able to take using this channel strategy on VIX 25. Okay, although the entry on VIX 25 is like an aggressive entry because price haven't broken out yet from our trend line, but this is like an aggressive entry I took. Okay, but for those that still want to enter, you can decide to make use of the safe entry and wait for price to break out and then retest and start selling. Okay, but I'm just going to show us how to make use of this strategy on VIX 25. Okay, remember it's still the same strategy, but the difference is on VIX 25 we are going to be making use of a channel. Okay, a channel is like the place where markets can either break upward, okay, or break downward. Okay, so that's how we are going to be making use of a channel. So if you notice, you see that on the daily time frame, or if we go to the 15 minutes time frame, we can see our channel. Okay, so you can see that this was like the first touch here, and then price came to make like the second touch, and then this was like the third touch, and then price came and price decided to start buying upward. But you can see now that price is selling, and the goal is for price to break out and start selling downward. Okay, so we could have waited for price to break out of this particular um resistance zone. Okay, so we would have waited for price to break down below and retest, but this is like an aggressive entry. Okay, so that is why for those who want to enter maybe in another 2 or 3 hours time, you can just decide to wait for price to take out this zone and then break out and retest it before selling. Okay, but I'm just going to take this aggressive entry because I just want to enter on time. Okay, and you can see that price is actually selling, so you can see where our stop loss is. So we are just risking $2 and to be able to get $11. Okay, so the risk to reward is just like 1 to 6. Okay, so you can see that we are risking something like $2 to make like an $11 here. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the reason behind this trade, because it's not just enough to be able to take a trade based on the channel. Okay, you want to know the reason behind this trade. So the first thing we want to do is to be able to go to the daily time frame. Okay, so on the daily time frame, what we notice is that price has been on a downtrend. Okay, so price has been on a downtrend. If you look here, you will notice that this has been a strong sell. Okay, and then price is trying to go back to that same level where the sell started from. Okay, and that is why we see price coming back to this level. Okay, and then when we go to like the 4-hour time frame now, we are going to see that price is still trying to make the same effort of going back to this particular zone. And then you can see that if we have a bigger trend line somewhere here, we can just draw it and wait for like a bigger break of structure. Okay, but this is like a sniper entry, guys. So let's just adjust our trend line here somewhere around here. So for some persons, you can see that this is like another trend line here, guys. So this is like a very powerful strategy, guys. So this is like the first touch here, and then this like the second touch. So maybe price is coming back somewhere around here, okay, to make like the third touch, and definitely price is going to be hitting our take profits, okay. So we can decide to draw and mark out this zone somewhere around here, because you can see that this is like a strong zone here. You can see price rejecting from here and price rejecting from here, and then price finally breaking out. So price might decide to want to retest it again, before buying. So this is part of the reason why we're able to take this trade here, okay. And then when we go to the 1 hour time frame, then definitely you'll be able to see that on the 1 hour time frame, this is where our trend line on the 1 hour time frame started forming, okay. You can see the touch here, the first touch, the second touch for the downtrend, or rather for the downtrend line, and then we can see the for the upper trend line, you can see the first touch and the second touch, and then the third touch, okay. And now price is like trying to start selling, as you can see here, okay, guys. So we are just going to go to maybe like the 5 minutes time frame, okay. So on the 5 minutes time frame, or let us just go to the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, guys, you can see that there is a little trend line here, okay. So for those of us that might want to take a safe entry, we might wait for price to break down below, okay, this first trend line. Remember, there are two trend lines here. This is like the first trend line, and then this like the second trend line. So if price break below this first trend line or the second trend line, and then retest this zone here, then it is safe for us to take another entry, okay, and then put our stop loss above this particular level, guys. So guys, I believe this is how you want to be taking an entry, and make sure you manage your risk, okay. So we are just going to watch out to see the outcome of this three trade. Definitely remember our crash 500. We are going to be holding it for another 2 weeks, because the market is going to be buying for long, okay. So you can see that we've locked in our profits here, okay. If you see, this was where we took the buy, okay. So price is like trying to sell now, but we've locked in our profit already, okay. So you can see where our stop loss is. It is no longer below our buy, but it's now above, and you can see that price is trying to maybe want to start selling now, we don't know. But we've just put our stop loss here, so should in case anything happens, then definitely we are going to be out of this market. But in any case, we are just going to hold trade like that, okay, because market is like trying to sell, okay. But whatever the case may be, we are just going to hold our trade, okay. And then if we go to boom 500, we can see that the market is selling, okay. And the reason is because market has been on a downtrend. So definitely market is most likely to come out to take this low here, okay. But I've just set my take profit at this particular level, guys. So guys, this is how we are able to identify this entry, okay. So you can decide to send us like a message so that you can join our signal group, where you can get access to free signals, where you can get access to daily mentorship signals and all that, okay, guys. So if you are yet to like this video, please do so now, so that other traders can get access to this video. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, because subscription is free, so do well to subscribe. And also, if you've not shared this video, please kindly do so now, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell, guys, so that you'll be notified whenever I drop useful video like this, guys. And definitely I'll see you in my next trading video. So cheers, guys.